Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlock new weapons in the finals. To do this, first you'll need to pick your contestant that you want to change or actually buy new weapon for. And we have light, medium and heavy. We're gonna go for light in this case. Then click on this button right here on the top. I forgot the name for it. It's called VRs. You can click on it and then this menu will pop up. Now you'll be able to see all of the weapons that you can buy for this specific character. You can click on each of the weapons and see their value, then click on unlock and you will unlock a weapon for that class. And you can do it for medium, heavy and etc. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.